Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom, and today we're talking about honeyberries. Have you ever heard of them? They're not blueberries, they're honeyberries. I have two honeyberry plants, Lonicera, and you can see this one's gotten really big. I'm going to have to prune this in its dormant season, late winter and fall. The smaller one's actually producing more berries. And you can see that, if you didn't know what it was, you'd think it was an elongated blueberry. It's pretty cool. And they're very hardy in northern climates, and they ripen about a month before blueberries do, which is nice. And I actually have a blueberry plant that's been taken over by this that I put in. Obviously too close. As you pick them, you'll see you can get a little pint of them right there, and they're sort of tart and sweet. They're tart sweet. It's like an interesting flavor, and they're good raw, or you can cook them and put them in pies and jellies or pancakes, whatever you want. But kind of a cool little plant to have, and this is on the east side and still producing pretty well, although the bigger one's not producing as well as the smaller one. Just give you a couple of close-ups here of the honeyberries. You can see how they're more oval than a blueberry. I also noticed, I made pancakes with these, and I noticed that they didn't turn the pancake batter blue. They held the blue color into themselves a little bit better. You can see obviously some blue getting on the container there, but that was interesting to me, and one of the reasons I like them is that they really held inside the pancake very well. Great for cooking. I bet they'd be good for muffins as well. The cool thing about the honeyberries, like I just said, when you put them in the batter, they actually don't turn it blue. Whereas I find blueberries do, so kind of like that. Even as they're cooking, they maintain the wonderful golden color, and then you can see the honeyberries in there. I didn't intend the video to be about making honeyberry pancakes, but I was doing it anyway. All right, so blueberry bush here gets taller, has the little blueberries. They're not ripe yet, early July. Honeyberries ripen a lot earlier, really delicious and really unique. If you can find them at a local nursery, check them out. I think you'd like them in the yard. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.